So plug in, lock, and here it is. So this is the animation that my phone gives whenever I charge, and no matter the Android device you use, you can get this as well. And I love it because it's so stylish and customizable. You can get it for your device as well, and you can also customize the age lightnings according to your notifications if you so wish. So it shows for notification and battery charging. So without too much further ado, let's get started with the main point of this video. Okay, to get this on your phone, all that you need to do is have a data bundle, obviously, and then open Play Store. After opening Play Store, you search for Always on Edge, Always on Edge, and then this is the application right here with this logo. So as you can see, the logo is this AOE, which is this. So you download the application and install it. So after installing the application, you now open the application, and as you can see, it comes with tons of customizable features, and here are required permissions. So after opening this application, you tap on required permissions right here, and then you tap on required permission and make sure you allow all the permissions. So I've already done that. So, and here are permissions that it prefers you turn on as well. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, ensure you do. And for every settings that you change, you make sure you tap on save at the button before going back, else it's not going to save. So right here is the setting for the Edge Lightning. So you tap on Edge Lightning inside the application, and then you select notifications lightning, which is this. After opening notifications lightning, sorry, I'll have to turn on do not disturb. Okay, after notifications lightning, and then you can set it as always for notifications, meaning that whenever you get a notification, whether your screen is on or off, it should show the Edge Lightning for notification. So in my case, since I'm using a gray pouch, I made the color to be gray as well, so as to complement my pouch or the condom phone case I'm using. So, and here, in case of more than one notifications while screen is off, light for latest notification, yes, which is actually cool. But as I said, it's highly customizable. You can customize it to your taste. So this is where you turn it on for notifications, and here are applications which you'd use, which you'd want the software to actually turn on the lightning for. So in my case, I've selected all my applications. In yours, you can do the same as well. And after doing so, is it at the bottom as well? Wow, I have tons of applications. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel and follow. So after turning them on, you just go back. There's no save button there. So then there's Events Lightning, which is where you set it up for charging. So when to turn on Edge Lightning, you tap on it, and as you can see, in my case, I set charge lightning. So while the device is charging and the screen is off, because I don't want it to be showing the Edge Lightning and my screen is off, I can obviously see that my phone is charging. But if you are not the type that actually pays too much attention, and you'd want to be you'd want it to show you the Edge Lightning as you charge, in case maybe you might be using a faulty charger, then you can turn it on whether the screen is on or off. You can select this, always on, always off or on. So in my case, it does this, and the screen is off, so it should only turn on when the screen is off. And this is how, for how long you'd want it to show. It shows red light for 1 minute after plugging, then green light again when the battery becomes full. So after that, it shows red after plugging in. The first 1 minute shows red, then afterwards when it's full, it shows green. So in a case whereby you are actually not close to your device and you're kind of further away, but you can only see, by the Edge Lightning can actually assist you to know when your phone is charging, and also when it is full by showing you the green. And you can also turn it on for call, music, like wallpapers, and so on and so forth. So this is pretty much the basic setting you need for this application to work. And there's also the main settings here, which you can as well change the brightness, you can change the colors as well, general restrictions, you can restrict it, and so on and so forth. So just play with the application. It's actually highly customizable. And here, preview, if I tap on preview, this is for the notification. I don't know if you can see the gray line on my screen. And okay, so I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to plug my phone to charge. Plug to charge, screen off, and as you can see, yeah, so that is pretty much it. Ensure you give my video a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.